Hello, hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and back at you. Been away for a while, so just bringing you a little update. We're still on a dragon fruit craze, so here's another one we got. All right, that's Natural Mystic, and over here says Colombian Yellow. Now I don't know. That's what it's supposed to be. So there we go. So yeah, so today we're gonna go ahead and build a trellis for it. We're gonna attempt to put the trellis right back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and move that right there. We're gonna put the trellis right there, just in the center, right where you see this honey murcot right here. And we're gonna move these other pots out the way. So yeah, that's gonna be the project for today. We don't really have many projects left, so basically, we're gonna go ahead and build the trellis. We already got the equipment, and we're gonna go ahead and start. Now I don't know if we're gonna finish the whole trellis today, but we will at least start. We're gonna go ahead and put this right here. This is a fence post. We're gonna put that in the ground, so we're gonna go ahead and make a hole, make a square hole through the pot, and go ahead and put that through the ground with some cement right through the ground. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap it with or the fabric. Kind of early in the morning, I can't remember what it is, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it with. Let me show you the fabric. It's a shame to, sometimes you get a mental block early in the morning, but yeah, this fabric right here. And, that's going to be the start of it. So also, hubby found these bike tires, which is supposed to help with the trellis. So he'll figure something out. I'll leave that part to him. Yeah, so that's about all right now. Everything's still flowering. It's a little cool this morning. Another thing I'm getting into more, so I don't have to keep buying them over and over again, y'all, is succulents. Now, I've always had a lot of succulents, but I'm seeming to get into them more because they just, you don't have to do much to them. And my succulents, I just leave them right out here in the sun. I don't cover them. I don't do anything to them. And they just continuously growing. And you know me, I'm a no-nonsense grower. That's what I put this little thing together. I'm basically a no-nonsense grower. So, pollinators that can do on their own without me interfering much is what I usually go for. And then other than that, I go for the easy. Oh, this is what I really wanted to show you. So I didn't think my Oro Negro was actually fruiting, and we actually got a couple of fruits on them on the Oro Negro. So we got that. See that? It's about 7. So I didn't think it was fruiting at all, but it's about 7 that I've seen so far. Yeah, so kind of excited about that. That is fruiting. Got that strawberry plant still trying to produce, and of course flowers. So I tend to go for flowers that are, evergreen and can come back each year, and that's perennial. Look at that right there. That's beautiful going around that trellis. And this one wasn't flowering at all, but I cleaned it up, and look at that right there. It's finally starting to flower. Okay, yeah, so this was supposed to be about dragon fruit, but anyway, I have a little cold, so getting kind of down, but I'm back out and slowly but surely getting back to my fruit trees. And look at this, I had hacked this ever-bearing mulberry, and I figured that it wasn't going to give me any more mulberries because it usually does not like heat, so summertime it calms down. But because it's still chilly in the morning, it's starting to produce mulberries again. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll see that this tree was completely, it was packed, and I went ahead and chopped it down, because I like stronger branches. I just tend to go for stronger branches. So, yeah. Anyway, let me stop rambling because my voice is kind of raspy. But just wanted to bring you this little video of the way things are still going in the what you call it, fruit tree garden. And let me just give you one more look, because I have been ignoring this, because like I said, I haven't actually been here. But this is, look at my peppers, y'all. Got peppers all over. And yeah, look at those. That's the shishito peppers. So you know me, I'm only growing tomatoes and peppers. Look at this right here, yo. Jalapeno peppers cook. And it's all around that tree. So I mean, when you ignore stuff, but I have it under the shade cloth. This right here is a centrilla tree, right? So I put it in there to keep mosquitoes away, and it was a little stick. And I put it here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you what it looked like before. So this is it now. I mean, it's just like, it's in the garden, you know, and I can take it off, take it out if I want to, but I'm just gonna leave it in there. I'm not gonna waste my time worrying about it. This is what it looked like before when I got it. It was smaller than this right here. And now it's this in here. It's in my, so yeah, that's like I took back there. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Got some basil back there and, you know, oregano. So that's what's been going on since I've been, you know, basically ignoring the garden because I haven't been here. But yeah. So I try to get these type of veggies that I don't have to really, you know, deal with much. So I like peppers and we like tomatoes. So that's what they're doing, and haven't really been out here dealing with them. Okay, so hopefully you enjoying your day and still enjoying your garden. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.